Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous session, we have shown you how you can apply the classes which you have created and in different parts of your program. Um, we first showed you the computation of the taxation on a sheet on a purchase, say, for example, a product sheet, yeah, and that computation was done by a simple macro, and just when you, as soon as you click it, it goes through, it picks each and every product, and it takes the amount of the unit price and takes the text code, and upon the text code, it decides which class to be used for computation, and it computes the text, right? So that was one scenario. Now the same class was used while making the purchase order. When you make the purchase order, you enter the item, as soon as it is selected, and you enter the quantity of that item, then the quantity multiplied by the unit price, the standard cost price. Uh, it gives you the amount now. How, the tax calculation is based on that amount, right? And that is replaced, that is shown in the form using the same class, and the no need to change the code, and the class is working. So let's go further that you can still again use it for the sale order flow. First, you have developed it for the purchase order tax calculation. Now, the taxes are also calculated in the sale order. So, and as you know that our purchase order and sale order both use this form view as a common item, as a common source for the so as soon as we added the tax in here, it automatically gets created. It is, you can see it when you load the sales order entry form. It is the text item, which was not there before, the text column, and now it is being shown in here. The text is appearing because this is because the both of the forms, the sale order form and the purchase order form, are using the form view as a source. So adding a new column automatically got available in the other form, in the purchase or in the sale order, right? You added it in the purchase order, and it got uh, appeared in the sale order as well because of the same thing. Okay, so now you have to, you can use the same procedure to bring the uh, taxes, the tax calculation even here. For example, you enter a new sale order, okay? You enter the salesperson who is here, you enter the party whom you are, who is ordering this, and for example, this company D wants, okay, is placing the order, for example, this, okay, fair enough. And then you enter the quantity, for example, 50 item, but the quantity is not available, so there's no point of adding it because the available quantity has to be more than 0. Okay, so let's choose something which is already available. Like chocolate. I love chocolates, right? We click chocolate. Yeah, you have plenty of chocolates quantity available. You can, okay, let's add, so let's order 60 pieces. Okay, just suppose that this customer wants 60 pieces to be ordered, and you offer, say, $10 discount as well. And let's press enter. So, so this is, but now we have to do the same thing so that the taxes are also calculated on this amount, right? On this amount, we want the tax to be calculated each time you enter a share. So that is going to be on the sales price, right? Not on the standard price, right? On the sales price, this is the total amount. So if the call font, if the category is A or B or C, so the tax will be calculated and it will be shown in here. Okay, so let's do it. So so this is the sale order form. We first thing we do is we do some preparatory work so that uh, as soon as the user clicks on the discount, yeah, so it starts updating the line item. So we double click on it, okay. So as soon this happens, then so we put a breakpoint in here, okay. And later on, we will use the step to go there and then bring the information, right? And what we do here is that we uh, we find where is this procedure, right? So in the current module, there must be a procedure. This is the procedure, right? In this procedure, this is the amount. On this amount, we are going to do to check the do the same thing as we did in the purchase order form. Okay, so we we put a breakpoint in here as well. Okay, so that the rest we can do. And in the purchase order, when we enter the quantity, this actuates, right? And we are going to get the same sequence which we did in the purchase order so that we don't have to uh, worry about because that is tested. So we are going to copy those sequence of its steps in here. So we are checking it. So this is the procedure, and this is where we and this was the additional code. Yeah, a bit of things which we wrote, right? So we copy all these things in here. Okay, that's it. We press Control C and we paste it immediately after where we put the breakpoint. This is the sale order, and here immediately after this we put here. So we will make the changes in here. Okay, we will do it later on, but at least we have brought all the things in here, the class names, the class generation, etc., right? And this class generation procedure has also to be brought back here. Okay, so we go to the purchase order form. This is sales order and this is purchase order, right? Okay, So we go to the purchase order code. This is the code, and soon after this, it is supposed to be form generate. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Let's see that where is this class generation in the same module. Okay, so it is not here. So it is well located. That is uh, in the module. That's fine. Okay. So we have brought all the information which is required, and now we can start the sale order procedure. And mm, we are sure that it will stop and help us. Yeah, that will be allow us to figure out where we have to make the changes. Fine, and we use, for example, any number, and this is the customer, and now we take the chocolates. Yeah, this chocolate, and we take, say, 10 pieces of these chocolates with, say, $5 discount. Now it is ready to do the job of updating the line items. Let's go to F8. Now it is writing all this information. Let's press go. All these informations are here. Now it is writing the amount. Okay, let it be here. So it has written the amount. Okay, now it is going to take the tax. Okay, now it is taking the tax amount is at the moment blank, so will be 0. And next is the tax amount, right? Okay, so we put a breakpoint in here. Okay, so what is the amount? Amount is 122.50 is the amount, right? That's right. As you can see, 122.50. That's right. Now this tax amount is going, first of all, it is going to get this tax type. Okay, the tax type is fine. It is uh, being brought from the product. That that's fine. That makes sense. And let's uh, let's see what is that. What is the tax type? Tax type is C. Fair enough. That means 18 or 19%. Okay, that's right. Okay. Next is it is now ready to compute the tax amount. It is ready to compute the tax amount, and what is the amount it has taken? 122. That's right. Okay. So the tax amount is now about to appear in here. Okay. So let's see. And we remove this breakpoint. I'm sorry. Yeah, let's clear all the breakpoints. Okay, and we run it. That's it. So the 20% or 19% tax has been calculated. Of course, it is right. 23 makes sense. Yeah? $23 tax has been computed. Right. Let's take another product, for example, which is sellable. Okay, which I mean for which we have the quantity. Yes, 835 quantity. Yes, let's have 200 pieces of this. Okay, with a $50 discount. Right. So this is the tax calculated. So using the same class, we are um, now able to calculate the tax for the sales order. The same mechanism which we used in the purchase order, now it is applicable straight away without any additional changes in the code or something. So, and you have the tax amount here being shown in here, yeah? 59, right? You can see that, yeah, to 36 plus 23 to 9, 39. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us and see you in our upcoming videos.